People they take Easter holidays serious than Christmas holidays. Christmas, New Year is doesn't matter to them than Easter holidays. People can budget money for Easter holidays than on Christmas and New Year. Look at Easter now. People, guys, they are going to family gatherings, going to churches. Roads now are full, guys. Roads are full on Easter's than on December. Because December, people, guys, other people, they spend Christmas at home. But on Easter, people they are traveling on churches, they are gathering on churches, family gatherings, they are going to graveyards. Some of the people are traditional people. There is a lot of things people they are doing on Easter holidays than on Christmas. That's why you saw when it comes to March people they don't spend their money because they are budgeting for next month. They know that Easter now is behind the corner. They want to budget for Easter than on December. People they don't took December serious like Easter because December people they can buy clothes for the kids. But when it comes to serious things, they don't take it serious like Easter because guys look at even on Thursday, even tomorrow it's Easter, it's Thursday, guys, shops are full. Spar, ShopRite, Checkers, guys, those shops are very full. Spar, ShopRite, Checkers, okay, those shops, guys, are full. Shops who are selling foods because people they are preparing for Easter than Christmas, guys. I didn't see even on roads there is a lot of cars than on Christmas.